Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we bring you unbiased tech reviews. Today, we're diving into the Delta RGB DDR5-7200 C34 memory kit from TeamGroup. If you're a proud owner of Intel's Raptor Lake processor and looking to maximize your system's performance, this memory kit might just be the perfect fit. Let's find out. The Delta RGB DDR5-7200 comes with all the advancements we expect from this mature technology. Intel was ahead of the game, adopting DDR5 memory early on their mainstream platform. With Raptor Lake being Intel's second-generation consumer chip to support DDR5, there's plenty of headroom for ultra-fast memory kits. TeamGroup's Delta RGB DDR5 memory modules sport an aluminum heat spreader with a sharp design and dynamic RGB lighting. Available in white and black colors, these modules add a touch of style to your build. The memory's height is 46.1 mm, ensuring compatibility with most CPU air coolers. However, TeamGroup doesn't provide dedicated software, so you'll have to rely on your motherboard software for customization. The Delta RGB DDR5 memory kit is compatible with popular software such as ASUS AuraSync, Gigabyte RGB Fusion 2.0, MSI Mystic LightSync, ASRock Polychrome Sync, and BioStar Advanced Vivid LED DJ. TeamGroup offers their DDR5-6800 and above memory kits in the 32GB configuration, which is the most common capacity for DDR5. Each memory module uses SK Hynix's latest H5C G48A GBDX018 integrated circuits, ensuring high-speed performance. The Delta RGB DDR5-7200 C34 kit operates at DDR5-5600 out of the box, but activating the XMP 3.0 profile boosts it to DDR5-7200 with optimized timings. To test the Delta RGB DDR5-7200 C34 memory kit, we used an Intel Core i9-13900K processor with an MSI MEG Z690 Unify X motherboard. For comparison, we also tested it on an AMD Ryzen 7 7700X with an ASRock X670E Taichi motherboard. Our benchmarking software and games were run on Crucial's MX500 SSDs. And power was provided by the Corsair ERM650X power supply. In our tests, the Delta RGB DDR5-7200 C34 memory kit outperformed the Dominator Platinum RGB DDR5-6600 C32, which was previously the fastest DDR5 kit we had tested. It achieved the lowest memory latency and excelled in the 7-zip compression benchmark. While the Delta RGB DDR5-7200 C34 memory kit is tailored for Intel's Raptor Lake processors and 700 series platform, it can also work with Alder Lake chips if your integrated memory controller is strong. If you're looking for even higher speeds, the SK Hynix A-Die ICs in this memory kit offer overclocking potential. The official MSRP for the Delta RGB DDR5-7200 C34 is $274.99, but you can often find it at a reduced price. For example, on Newegg, it's currently available for $236.99. And there may be additional promotional discounts available. Keep in mind that DDR5 is still considered premium hardware, so high performance comes at a price. That wraps up our review of the Delta RGB DDR5-7200 C34 memory kit from TeamGroup. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And subscribe to our channel for more unbiased tech reviews. This is Product Critique, signing off.